Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to share interesting facts about the Sun, one of the most crucial stars in our universe. What do we know about the Sun, the source of life? Here's the extraordinary story of the Sun. 1. Size and dimensions of the Sun. The Sun is at the center of our universe and has an incredible size. It has a diameter of about 1.4 million kilometers, which means it can fit approximately 109 Earths across its width. Furthermore, the Sun's mass is approximately 330,000 times greater than that of the Earth. 2. Temperature. The Sun performs nuclear fusion reactions to produce heat and light. Its surface temperature is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, while the core reaches temperatures in the millions of degrees. This high temperature allows hydrogen to fuse into helium. 3. Sunspots. The Sun's surface features cold spots known as sunspots. These spots are related to the Sun's magnetic activity and can grow and shrink over time. Sunspots have been observed for years and have shown that the Sun's rotation rate varies in different areas. 4. Solar winds. The Sun continuously emits high-speed particles, creating a phenomenon known as solar wind. Solar winds impact the magnetospheres of Earth and other planets, potentially causing space weather events that affect satellite systems. 5. Solar energy. Solar energy is harnessed as a clean energy source on Earth. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity. This technology provides an alternative to fossil fuels and is environmentally friendly. 6. Age of the Sun. The Sun is approximately 4.6 billion years old and is expected to produce energy for another 5 billion years. Its birth occurred about 4.6 billion years ago, and it will eventually end its life cycle in around 5 billion years. 7. The Sun and other stars. The Sun is a relatively small star with an estimated lifespan of just 1 billion years. Larger stars have shorter lifespans, while smaller ones can live for billions of years. Stars are some of the most diverse and fascinating objects in our universe. 8. Solar eclipses. Solar eclipses occur when the Sun and the Moon align correctly. These extraordinary events provide mesmerizing experiences for observers. Solar eclipses have been studied and recorded by scientists and observers throughout history. 9. Hydrogen fusion in the Sun. The Sun generates energy by fusing hydrogen into helium in its core. This nuclear fusion process continues for millions of years. Every second, the Sun converts approximately 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium. 10. The future of the Sun. In about 5 billion years, the Sun will deplete its hydrogen fuel and expand, eventually turning into a red giant. At this stage, it will become increasingly challenging for life on Earth, and the Sun will ultimately consume the planet. This is part of the Sun's evolutionary process. 11. Solar radiation. The Sun emits electromagnetic radiation, including visible light and heat, which reaches Earth. However, the Sun also emits harmful types of radiation, such as X-rays and ultraviolet rays. These are filtered by Earth's atmosphere to protect life. 12. Solar radio waves. The Sun emits radio waves as a form of electromagnetic radiation. These radio waves are used to study the Sun's magnetic activity and solar flares. 13. Solar rotation rate. The Sun's rotation rate is not constant across its surface. It rotates faster at the equator and slower at the poles. This variation in rotation affects the formation of the Sun's magnetic field. 14. Sun and dark matter. Interaction. The Sun is influenced by dark matter, a mysterious substance that does not emit light or energy. Dark matter affects the Sun's motion and plays a significant role in the dynamics of our galaxy. 15. Solar System's Master. The Sun is the ruler of our solar system. It exerts its gravitational influence on all planets, satellites, and other celestial bodies in our solar system, keeping them in orbit. 16. Solar neutrinos. Nuclear fusion reactions in the Sun produce vast quantities of neutrinos, tiny, nearly massless particles. These neutrinos pass through the Earth with almost no interaction, making them valuable tools for studying the Sun's interior. 17. Sun and Astrology. Astrology is a belief system that suggests the Sun and the positions of stars influence human life. However, there is no scientific evidence to support the idea that astrology has a direct effect on individuals. 18. Sun's gravitational impact. The Sun's massive gravitational influence bends and warps the space around it. This phenomenon, predicted by Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity, was experimentally confirmed by Arthur Eddington in 1919. 19. Energy production. Inside the Sun generates energy through nuclear fusion reactions that occur deep within its core. These reactions are driven by high temperatures and pressures. 20. Sun's surface and atmosphere. While the Sun appears as a bright, glowing disk to us, its atmosphere is quite complex and consists of different layers. One of the most notable layers is the corona, the outer atmosphere of the Sun, known for its unusual high temperature and magnetic activity. To provide more fascinating insights about the Sun, we'll prepare another video soon. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you have more questions about the Sun or other cosmic topics, leave them in the comments. See you in the next video.